car got caught on the side. Whoa! Hang on. Take a picture, dude. Take a picture.
This was the first example that you found of industry that was working to try to distort the perceptions of reality so that they can continue what they're doing.
Right. And, they did a lot of other things that we've seen modern industries doing. They've I mentioned the reference to the talk about how would you like it if people came in.
Oh, that was fucking awesome!
And the sailors that they had, so basically this kind of, help us or you are next. Your whole class structure is going to collapse, that kind of an argument. And then they had an argument about basically
Holy crap!